Hi, I'm Simon from Elastic, and if you're here you've likely faced outages, performance issues, visibility gaps, and tedious troubleshooting processes. That's why unified observability matters. It consolidates logs, metrics, traces, and events within a single pane of glass. Elastic accelerates data collection and analysis with native OpenTelemetry support, enabling proactive troubleshooting, infrastructure monitoring, service-level objective management, and much, much more. I'll take just 2 minutes to show you how you can streamline root cause analysis workflows and boost service reliability with Elastic Observability. The first thing we need to do is to get data in. There are numerous ways to get data into Elastic, but you can leverage our guided onboarding workflows for some of our most popular use cases. Quickly onboard hosts for logs and metrics, Kubernetes or logs and metrics from your cloud providers. If we click through on Kubernetes and then the OpenTelemetry option, we get a step-by-step implementation guide. Once data is coming in, we'll provide some handy dashboards based on that data, like this Kubernetes cluster overview. You can clone these built-in dashboards or create your own from scratch. For example, here's a custom business health dashboard where we're plotting events on a map, our service level objective performance, as well as business KPIs. You can also perform anomaly detection to proactively identify issues, and the results can be brought into your dashboards too. Application performance monitoring and infrastructure dashboards are provided out of the box, from service maps to transaction latency and throughput, as well as auto-detected error conditions. Errors are categorized into groups, and you can quickly identify key issues, including reviewing the full stack traces. And if, like me, you need a little help understanding these errors, the Elastic AI Assistant can provide quick, insightful guidance into the root cause, diagnosis, and remediation steps. You can further leverage the AI Assistant to streamline your day-to-day workflows. It uses context-aware generative AI and advanced machine learning to reduce toil and accelerate root cause analysis. Think of it like having an experienced SRE at your fingertips. And there you have it. Be sure to explore Elastic Observability for yourself in a free trial. Have a great day.